हमने भ्रष्टाचार बर्दाश्त नहीं करना। मैंने उनको वचन दिया था कि एक पैसे के भी हेरा फेरी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे, चाहे वो अपने हों हेरा फेरी करने वाले, चाहे बेगाने हों। इसी सिलसिले में मेरे ध्यान में एक केस आया कि मेरी सरकार का, पंजाब सरकार का कैबिनेट मंत्री अपने डिपार्टमेंट में टेंडर और बाकी खरीदो फरोख्त में से 1% कमीशन मांग रहा था। तो मैंने उसको गंभीरता से लिया। हम अपने मंत्री पर सख्त एक्शन ले रहे हैं और पुलिस का मामला भी, पुलिस को उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने के निर्देश भी दे रहे हैं। मैं फिर दोबारा कहना चाहता हूं भ्रष्टाचारियों को, जो देश को लूट रहे हैं, जो गरीबों का हक मार रहे हैं कि जितने मर्जी इकट्ठे कर लो पैसे, हीरे मोती, मगर ख्याल इतना रहे कफन पे जेब नहीं होती, सब कुछ यहीं रह जाएगा।
So that we have shown to the entire nation yesterday that we are a 0% government. This was our promise to the people, and we believe that corruption is actually deshdrohi. It is anti-people. People suffer on account of corruption. We have shown that we don't need, unlike other governments, we will not ask for CBI or ED or IT raids or investigations. We have shown that both in the case of 2015, where Arvind Kejriwal took action against his food and civil supplies minister, and yesterday when Bhagwant Singh Mann took action against his health minister, all we received was information. We asked for some evidence. As soon as we got the evidence, we spoke to the concerned people, and when they accepted their crime or corruption, we did not wait for opposition or media or social media or anyone else to make any accusations. We have acted on our own. It's not just dismissal of the health minister. Bhagwant Singh Mann called the police and got a case registered and has got the minister as well as his principal secretary both arrested yesterday. I think this is a model for the entire country, and today on behalf of 6.5 lakh people of Karnataka, the Aam Aadmi Party is throwing a challenge to Mr. Bommai. If you want to continue as the Chief Minister, and if you have the moral courage, we challenge you to take a similar action against all the accusations against ministers in your cabinet. Today we've reached a situation where the 40% commission is causing injuries and deaths to people. Are you going to wait for another Santosh Patil to commit suicide and people to give up their life, or are you going to act?